I just hung a king-size quilt on my wall, one nail, and all by myself. Want to know how I did it? Stick around.
I have a quilt that I want to hang on my bedroom wall above our bed. It is a king-size quilt that I just finished. So in order to hang this, I'm going to need to use a device called the Hang It Dang It. It is one pole that is telescoping, so you can fit it to exactly the size you need. And it is going to allow us to hang this with one nail. So this is the device itself. I take this plastic clip off that you just saw. Underneath that clip there is a line that you can feel, and that when you have this quilt into your sleeve on the back of my quilt, which I've sewed on, you're then going to feel for that line, and you're going to put the plastic piece, clip it back on the side that has the sleeve. So right now I'm putting this in the sleeve. I apologize, I cut that off, but it's just very, very simple process. I'm going to clip that device, and that is the device. It's a piece of plastic. It will hold the whole quilt with one nail, and this is a easy to level quilt, and we'll show you that. I can do this whole thing myself. I don't need a lot of help. In my case, there is already a nail on the wall, so from the previous owners of the house, so we're going to use that. And all I got to do now is I got to pick up the quilt with the bar in it. You see the sleeve on the back. It's just something that I hand basted onto the back. It can be removed anytime I want. And I am finding that plastic piece and the nail. Now I'm hanging the quilt. Now again, these come in different sizes. This is the largest size, and it holds.
Like and subscribe.
This is a heavy 10 or king size quilt, which is 10 yards of fabric. And so all I have to do now, I have it on the wall. You see how easy it was for me to just put it right on the nail? It's a very sturdy device and simple. I'm going to tuck this now behind my bed mattress. Pulling it out a little bit so I can get it on there. And so you can see, I just simply have to do a little bit of adjusting for me to get it right in the middle of the space, which I'm going to be working on, and right now getting it just to lay flat. And if I didn't have a bed here, it would just lay flat. So there you go. This is how easy it is. Now, if there's any of the pole sticking out, I'm going to tuck that in. Same thing on the other side. And voila, we have, in seconds, we have hung a king-size quilt on the wall.
So I just wanted to show you, this is what the Hang It Dang It looks like when you get it in package. So this one is long enough for a quilt that is 35 inches, if it's short, up to 65 inches. So here's that clip I was showing you. It's very easy to take off. It's very easy to put your sleeve on, put this back on, and then you hang it up onto your wall. So simple product, does a great job at what it says it'll do. See you next time.